Yeye hakuje mwenyewe kwa kufungua kwa to officially launch it. Yeye tangu tuanze hii kazi amekuja hapa mara 7 times, just to tell you how important His Excellency the President at places this green park. And we are happy. We are now almost done. In the next few weeks, we will invite His Excellency the President for the official opening. Tusafishe, tufagie, tuwe tayari for the official opening. Hali kadhalika tumesema kwamba hii maji kutoka hii Museum Bridge mpaka Globe Roundabout Bridge, hiyo imekuwa safi. Lakini kutoka juu mpaka source Ondiri Swamp na kutoka chini pale mpaka Athi River na beyond ni chafu. Kwa hivyo leo pamoja na NEMA, ministry na NEMA, tutaanza crackdown ile ambayo watu hawajai kuona.
Aya nende to njega micoki igikoragwo kuguo na ni ndethiaga kwi njivijari njetereire mathaa ma mohoro makinye. Aya murero wa Kameme TV tukimurika ndeto ingi ni ati Beatrice Adega uria niwe mutumia wa muthaki wa thinema cia ngerekano uria yoikaine ta Charles Bukeko kana na ritwa ringi Papa Shirandula ni amenereirie thibitari nene ya Karen guku mucii munene wa Nairobi akiuga ati ni magondereire wira-ini wao hingo iria atwarire muthuri wake thibitari-ini kuona ati akuireire giti-ini matakoretwo moete ikinya. Na ningi Beatrice akiuga ati Papa Shirandula ni angiaheirwo utungata uria wagireire. Papa Shirandula akuire muthenya wa Jumamothi thibitari-ini wa Karen ne kuhurukagio muthenya wa muthi kuria kwao mucii kaunti-ini ya Busia.
Thabarĩ ya muthia ya uria urari muthaki wa thinema cia ngerekano Charles Bukeko kana Papa Shirandula ihanikiire kaunti-ini ya Busia kuria kuhurukagio igongona riria ritabanirio ni maabitha ruhonge rwa ugima wa muingi na rikuihuirwo ni kieha kiingi. No akiheana ndumiriri ya macakaya ya muthuriwe mutumia wake Beatrice Adega ni atariirie thabari yake ya muthia na muthuri wake makiria muno hindi ria arwarire na gukinyo thibitari-ini wa Karen.
Nilimweka kwa gari. I went to Karen Hospital. Admission was just another process. I'm telling you, please, he needs support and an emergency. The time they're still preparing, he passed on while I'm with him in the vehicle. He was not even admitted. He passed on seated on the seat in the car.
Adega akionekana kwaga kuiganira na uria thibitari uyu wamukirire Shirandula akiuga ni magondereire hari kumuhe motungata maria mafatie ma naihenya.
I felt it was negligence on the part of the doctors in the hospital. I wish they did everything for him. They omitted. And it has happened. We surrender all to God.
Ndeto ingi irerehire ciuria hindi ya mathiko maya ni igie ni murimu uriku woragire Papa Shirandula. Cosmas Bukeko uria ni ithe wa Shirandula akiuria ministry ya ugima wa muingi kuneana riboti ya kuonania kihumo gia gikuo kia Muriu.
Ningetaka ikiwezekana nipate full details regarding the death of my son. Not from anybody, but from the Ministry of Health.
Sijui nianzie wapi. Kwa maana mambo ya ugonjwa sijajua. Sijasikia. Nilisikia Jumamosi simu ikikuja. Kaambia baba, mjukuu akiniambia baba ameenda hospitali. Saa 3 hivi. Baadaye kufikia saa 5 simu inakuja. Sijui saa 5 saa ngapi. Ata ameaga.
Doctor, how many tests did you carry out? The doctor tells me only 1. Kaambia why? There were meant to be 3. Why do you concentrate only on 1? The weather here is not conducive to our lives also. You have to carry even 3 of them pneumonia to confirm also. COVID is actually managed. Pneumonia has to be treated. Malaria you have to treat. Why did you omit the other two?
No kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio kuri nyumba cia mohoro ni thibitari wa Karen nditheretie wega ciĩgiĩ mateta ma Beatrice indi ikiuria nyumba cia mohoro kwaraniria na arugamiriri a thibitari uyu niguo mataukirwo ni ndeto ino. Athaki a thinema na aria mararutithanagia wira na Shirandula ni maugite ni morwo ni njamba na ithenya riria atiga hatire mundu ungiriihuria.
Ile maisha naishi sasa hivi, ile experience nimekuwa nayo, zile vitu mingi ambazo nimefanya katika maisha yangu na katika maisha yangu ya usanii ni Charles Bukeko amezikuza.
Kwa nataka kusema ya kwamba hichi kitu ambacho kimetendeka ni kitu ambacho kimenishtua sana. Kutoka kitendeke nimemwaza papa sana, manake mimi kwangu papa alikuwa tu si mtu ambaye tulikuwa tunafanya kazi na yeye. Alikuwa mpaka ni rafiki, alikuwa mpaka ni jirani.
Shirandula ahurukire muthenya wa Jumamothi ari na ukuru wa miaka 58. Girifotera Kameme TV retora kwani Wajiro wa Foro.
Nä riboti ya kĩeha mũno makĩria bamĩrĩ ĩyo tũgũkĩhoka nĩ gũkorwo na thayũ na COVID ĩkuo mwĩroreri wakwa COVID ĩkuo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Haya tũmũrĩke ciĩgiĩ mathako mũrũri wa Kameme TV na nĩ atĩ thikũ nini tu thutha wa kambuni ya BetKing gũkorwo ĩkĩigithia harĩ ligi nene ya Kenya Premier League, rĩu ningĩ nĩ matacũkĩtie ikinya rĩngĩ na kũigithia harĩ ligi nene ya Division 1 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Akĩaria president wa FKF Nick Mwendwa augĩte rĩrĩ nĩ ikinya rĩnene kuona atĩ rĩu timu ciothe 32 cirĩamũkagĩra kĩmanjĩka gĩa ciringi 500,000 oro mwaka kuma kũrĩ BetKing, ũndũ ũrĩa rĩu ũtũgĩrĩtio nĩ arũgamĩrĩri a irabu tiganite gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na makiuga atĩ gwa kahinda ka mĩaka 5 yũkĩte irabu ici nĩ cigũkorwo cigĩteithĩka, makiuga nĩ irabu cia icagi-inĩ kuona ona fare kana mbeca cia kũrĩha bathi matikoragwo nacio hingo ĩrĩa marathiĩ gũthaka.
So whatever imekuja hatuwezi sema ni ndogo, ni mingi kwetu, tunashukuru. So hata kama ni hiyo tutapewa sahi, tunasema itasaidia mali pakubwa sana. Tunaweza haya gari na tuende tucheze game na turudi.
Hiyo najua itafufua na itaimprove quality ya hii league, kwa sababu unapata kuna challenge mingi. Team ni mzuri ndio, lakini kuna zile challenges like unapata team iko na talent, iko na wachezaji very organized, lakini afika mahali wanalemewa.
It is exciting because there are 32 teams in the Division 1, and now each of them will receive at least 500,000 shillings every season for the next 5 seasons.
Aya cio ciĩgiĩ mathako nĩcio cigũtwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo thĩinĩ wa mohoro matũũra-inĩ hwainĩ wa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ndakena nĩ ũndũ wa gũnjagũra na gwĩtĩkĩra gũcagũra television ya Kameme TV harĩa muma hamwe nani akina Alex wa Jamii. Ndamũgeithia hwainĩ wa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ona ũndũ wa mahinda tũgũcemania ona cihanda thaa 3 thĩinĩ wa mũtambũrũko wa mohoro kũrĩa tũgũcemania na mangĩ maingĩ tiga rĩu macio nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩongerera mangĩ na nĩgetha ũikare ũĩ ũrĩa gũikarĩte. Niĩ njĩtagwo Gĩcimo Tumana wa Gaki wa Mũthoni ũrĩa nĩwe mwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko. Thiĩ na mbere na gũkenerera tabarĩra iria cirũmĩrĩire.
Coronavirus COVID-19 is a respiratory virus spreading across the world. The infection is spread from droplets of coughing and sneezing of an infected person, touching or shaking hands or being in contact with contaminated surfaces or objects with the virus. The signs and symptoms are fever, coughing, headache, body ache, difficulty in breathing. The disease can be prevented by regularly washing hands with soap and running water. Avoid close contact with people who have flu-like symptoms. Avoid handshake, hugs, and kissing. Also, protect yourself by covering your mouth or nose using a disposable tissue while coughing or sneezing. If you experience these symptoms and you had traveled or been in contact with a person from a country reporting COVID-19, you should isolate yourself for 14 days and seek immediate medical attention or report to the nearest health center. This message has been brought to you by the Government of Kenya and its partners. For accurate information on COVID-19, dial *719# or call 719. Follow us on Twitter at MOH_Kenya, at spokesperson GOK, at WHO.
TV yangu imecrack, naombea TV tu.
Sasa nikasema sasa nilikuwa nataka coin fridge.
Okay.
Yeah, ndio nikajaribu.
Okay.
My first number ndio ilifanya niwe. Asante kwa zo. Yesterday I was in need of a phone.